We are going to the Royal Enfield service again for Yatish's bike.
Oh, you're following me from hotel? It's 7:30 in the morning. It's day 3. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. We are in Visakhapatnam. This is our room here. It's spacious compared to the one we stayed in Ongole yesterday. Yatish is ready almost. Rahul is yet to come out. Once Rahul is ready, we'll go for breakfast and then we'll head back onto the road.
So we're out on the street now in search of breakfast. So we stay there and he said breakfast is somewhere ahead.
So we had breakfast and now it's tea time.
I'm masked. No tea for me. Nice place. What is this place called? Sri Sai Ram Parlour. Breakfast is really nice. We found this after we walked for about 1 kilometer. Yeah, we walked for 1 kilometer and we found this place. Different spot.
Walking back to our room, and this is the look of the streets here in Visakhapatnam. Very wide, flyover on top, pretty clean. Not so crowded at 8:30 in the morning. Surprising. So finally we start the ride. It's 10:10. We're just trying to find our way backwards since not using the map. So we are leaving from Visakhapatnam now, heading towards Bhubaneshwar. Kolkata is 869 kilometers. I was talking about the traffic in the morning where at 8:30 the roads were empty. But now, you see the number of vehicles here. Awesome roads. ಅದೋಡು ಹಂಗೆ ಹಿಲ್ ಟಾಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕಟ್ಟಿರಂಗಿದೆ. Lot of greenery inside the city. Bangalore. I'm following you last weekend. Last 3 kilometers? Yeah. Okay. You're going to Kolkata? From Bangalore. 3 members. All 3. Him and SP. Oh, you're following me from hotel? Yeah. This is the Kolkata road, no? This road goes to Kolkata, right? Huh. Where'd he go? He was following me from the past 3 kilometers. And now I don't see him. And now he vanished. After asking me my channel name. And the other 2 friends of mine also vanished in the meantime. Bangalore. Bangalore से आ रहा है. कोलकाता. वीडियो बना रहा हूँ. A lot of people, enthusiastic people, who want to know where I'm from, where I'm headed to. I need to get a YouTube sticker now on my bike for people to know. The roads are really, I don't know what to say, very different here. The concept. See, if you want to take the right turn, you have to come from that side. You can't take this signal to the right. I mean, take the service road from the last exit and then come take a right here. Nice idea actually. It avoids long traffic queues. And then there's a cheating part. You take the service road, you skip the signal and go straight. I keep telling different destinations to different people I meet. Sometimes they say Assam, sometimes they say Kolkata, sometimes they say Meghalaya. But these are all the places that we're going to be crossing. So whatever strikes my mind at that point, that's what I tell people. So don't mind that. I am talking the truth. We will reach Meghalaya eventually. The camera was not recording, but I met another guy here in the signal. He is from the Vizag Riders Club. Adventure. He said something. Shit, I forgot that. So even they have a club where they ride. Last time they did down south. They went to Munnar, Kanyakumari and back, I guess. And this year, the coming year, they're planning to ride to Lonavala, Mahabaleshwar and Pune. That's what he said, if I'm not wrong. Where did you go? He is the one who vanished. I am searching for you from that time. I was talking about you only all this. Just now I was talking about you, that you vanished. You followed me for 3 kilometers and you vanished.
Actually, I'm following you. Last Gajwaka, I'm following you.
Okay, I don't know the area, so.
Sometimes I'm missing.
I waited after the signal, you were not there. Then I'm coming slowly. My friends went already. They're calling me actually. I just type no. It is HEMAN space S space P. Thanks. Your good name?
Yeah, Mahesh.
Mahesh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Happy journey, bro. Happy journey.
Thank you. See you. He was the first subscriber who clicked a selfie with me. That was a happy moment, fanboy moment. Finally, I found a fan who wanted a selfie with me. Mahesh, thanks for this wonderful moment. Anna, card unda? Bangalore నుంచి మేఘాలయకి కానిస్టేబుల్ ఓ శ్రీకాకుళం బెంగళూరు మేఘాలయ అస్సాం ముగ్గురు హోటల్ ఇంకేంది ఏం చేసుకుంటాం హోటల్లోనే తినాలి కదా అంతే డాబాలు ఆపుతాం తింటాం పోతుంటాం ఎక్కడ థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫుల్ అన్నా
Day 3 on the ride. We've reached Srikakulam and we just crossed the place. We are going to the Royal Enfield service again for Yatish's bike.
I heard a similar sound like what happened yesterday. So I had it out. So I checked again and look what has happened.
See this?
Yesterday it was the left hand side. Today it's the right.
Confirm. Yatish is not taking care of his motorcycle properly. That is the reason. So we are on the hunt for a Royal Enfield service center yet again.
Busy with mobile phones, checking status. But Yatish is having problem with his phone also now. His WhatsApp is
Not anymore.
Not anymore, huh? WhatsApp is functioning fine?
Yeah. For now it's fine.
Super. That is also done. So our food has come.
ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ
We
ಟೇಸ್ಟ್
have
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ
jeera
ಆಮೇಲೆ
rice,
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರಲ್ಲ
we have dal fry, whatever dal that is, salad, and this is mixed veg curry. Okay. So come on, let's eat. No, we are waiting for roti. And like that, we are done with our lunch at this dhaba. Indian dhaba, right? So let's get going. We are still yet to sort out Yatish's bike problem. The food was nice. Dhaba food is always nice. It's cost effective for us rather than eating at a restaurant. And we eat light while traveling, not much of spice, avoid non-veg as well. And we can't have heavy lunch, because we tend to fall asleep. The open highways like these, it kind of gets boring once in a while, so that's when drowsiness starts. You avoid heavy food while traveling. Eat light. Stay safe. Oh, that's a huge Hanuman statue there. Really huge. It's a long, straight road. Wow. It has become quite windy. There's a lot of crosswind as well. It's slightly windy. I can feel the wind blast. The crosswinds. Not strong, it's manageable, but Ichapuram is 84 kilometers. That is the border between Andhra Pradesh and Orissa, or Odisha. How do you pronounce it right? Odisha. I think Orissa was nice. Easy to pronounce. See, the boards have changed. It's in Odia now. I don't understand one letter in that. Border checkpost. Welcome to Odisha. Let's click a picture. We enter Odisha with a loud bang from the Royal Enfield there. About 10 minutes for a customary photo shoot. Not photo shoot of any sort, just click a few pics. So you want to get a look at those pics? Head to my Instagram handle. The ID is in the description, as well as I'll show it here on the screen somewhere. It will come at the bottom.
Chai time. Well, we finished having chai. We're having biscuits and chips now. We are 80 kilometers away from Bhubaneshwar. We're at Solari Daba, Balugaon. 1, 2, 3.
So we're done with a short tea break. Another 2 hours. Not 2 hours. It's about 80 kilometers, but it will take 2 hours. The road's not that great. That's what Google Mata said. My bike is leaning too much. I don't know why. I think the stand is bent. Let's close all the air vents because it's getting cold here now. Let's finish today. Today we started late today. Otherwise we would have reached Bhubaneshwar a little earlier, but that's okay. That's not a big problem. The sun has just set. But once the sun sets, as we ride through this Chilika wildlife range, that's what the board said quite some time back. Chilika Lake is a famous lake in Bhubaneshwar. It is a very nice place. There's a massive traffic jam here on the highway itself. I'm just squeezing my way in. Just have to keep squeezing, that's it. So we made it to Bhubaneshwar. We found this place called Biraj Hotels. Just told Yatish to go check. हाँ बैंगलोर हाँ वही हाँ हाँ और हाँ है
पता है मेरे को भी कन्नड़ थोड़ा थोड़ा आता है
हाँ क्या आता है कन्नड़ में बोलो क्या तेरी आता तमिल होता है
इनके इनका
वो भी तमिल है तमिल है वो